Hey guys, check out this sleek Vecelo metal platform bed frame with a stylish headboard. It features a sturdy, heavy-duty steel slat support system that completely eliminates the need for a box spring. You get a generous 12.5 inches of under-bed storage space for all your extra bins. The unique snap structure design and foam padding ensure a completely noise-free night of sleep. Its minimalist industrial style blends seamlessly into any guest room or master bedroom. Assembly is quick and easy, so you can set it up in no time. Upgrade your sleeping setup today and enjoy reliable comfort every single night. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.